Okay, Shaun and Steven, I am holding in front of me an Apple AirTag, and I'm going to show you how to change the battery. So I'm holding right now, and I'm doing this on my Meta glasses, so I'm holding the AirTag with the front facing me. I'm going to turn it over, and now the back is facing me, and the back has a slightly textured, kind of brushed finish, and it is slightly smaller than the AirTag. I'm going to put my index finger and middle finger on the back of it, and I'm going to turn it over so you can kind of see. There we go. So I'm holding it against my index finger and middle finger. I'm going to take my thumbs like I am, there we go. I'm going to take my thumbs like I'm doing a rotor gesture on the phone. And I'm going to push down slightly, and I'm going to twist to the left or counterclockwise. And you'll feel it move, and then you feel it release. And there it is, released. Now I'm going to take the lid off, put it there, and here is the battery. So I'm going to dump that battery out. I have put the AirTag over my hand. I have turned it upside down and tapped it gently, but the battery just fell out. So here is the battery. One side of the battery, again, has that sort of matte, that brushed finish. You know what I mean, as I scratch it with my thumbnail. The other side is smooth. So we want to put the brushed side down. Pick up the AirTag. There's the inside of the AirTag. We want to put the battery in with that brushed side down, smooth side up. And you may hear, as it goes in, you may hear a little noise there. Now we're going to put the back on. And I'm going to just put the back on and kind of push it into place. Now to get the back to stay on, I'm going to do the reverse of what I did to get it off. So I'm going to put the AirTag in my fingers with index finger and middle finger on the back, thumbs on the front, and I'm going to press down and turn clockwise until it clicks, which now see, it didn't click. You heard noise, but it didn't click, so I got to get a better hold on it. Okay, there we go. And we're going to do a rotor gesture with my thumbs and push down until it doesn't move anymore, and voila, it's in. So basically, you're holding the AirTag. You're going to do a rotor gesture clockwise to close it, counterclockwise to open it with a slight push down. And that is how you change the battery on an Apple AirTag.